guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Kirsty and this is Rocky. Rocky's going to be helping me. He's so cute. Rocky's going to be helping me pack today because I'm going to be going to Dubai tomorrow. My flight is, I think, 1:30 in the afternoon. So I'm going to try my best to pack everything that I can into my suitcase with the help of Rocky. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started with the packing. Alrighty then, so this is the situation right now. I've put everything out that I'm thinking of bringing to Dubai with me, all my clothes, accessories and footwear. And over here, voila, my suitcase. So we've got everything from day dresses, play suits, all my bikinis, swimwear and sunglasses, evening dresses, quite a few, t-shirts, different colours and tops. And I never go away on holiday without bringing my trusty old denim hot pants. And over here, what do we have? A Primark haul that I'm going to show you all the goodies that I bought in a bit. So yeah, this is what it's looking like now. And let's get started with the packing. So go make yourself comfortable. I'm just on my bedroom floor right now because I wanted to show you my Primark goodies that I bought a few days ago, especially for my holiday. So I got two big bags of shopping from Primark, bag one and bag two. So I got this, which I fell in love with as soon as I saw it from the beauty section. There's another bag in here. It's just really good quality and it's see-through bags, which is really handy so that whatever you put in there, you can see just what exactly is in the bag without having to rummage through it or take everything out just to find what you're looking for. And I just couldn't resist. I actually bought another one. Oh, and I got these. They're fur sliders. And I bought it in a pinky purpley colour. You know what, I wasn't even planning to buy any footwear from Primark, but I walked past all their shoes and these just caught my eye. They were so cute. I did try it on in my usual size 4, but they were really small. I had to size up 2 sizes. Now these fit perfectly. So bear in mind, if you do buy these, you do have to size up. I can't wait to wear those. And then I did buy another toiletry set. This is a 3-piece toiletry set. I'll be using these for all my toiletries, all my beauty, makeup, everything. That's me all nice and organised for once. And then I bought these lint roller. There's actually a pack of 2 in here, but I'm just going to bring the 1 with me because I don't really need the 2. It's just really handy to have these lint rollers, and these are quite cheap. £1.50 for this pack of 2. And a pack of socks. They're trainer socks because I am going to bring my trainers to Dubai just in case we're going to be going sightseeing and have to do a lot of walking. So I will be wearing my trainers. So £2.50 for these socks. That's my bag 1 done. And then my second bag, I can never go on a plane without this travel pillow. These are so good because I really struggle to sleep on a plane, and using these travel pillows I get the best sleep whilst flying. Like, it's so comfortable. You know, sometimes when you're sleeping and you just nod off, but this just supports your neck and it just gives your neck and your head a better posture whilst you're flying. And then I bought this handbag from Primark. Look at this, the quality in this, you cannot tell it's actually from Primark. This was £12. £12 for this bag. And Rocky's decided to make an appearance. He's going to help me pack, aren't you? Aren't you? He's just woken up. He's literally spent all day sleeping and he's just woken up. I think he's hungry. He's going to help me pack, aren't you, Rocky? Yes, Mummy. Right, so this is my suitcase. I'm going to tell you guys a secret. This isn't actually my suitcase. It's my dad's suitcase, which he's kindly lent me. So every time I go away on holiday, I always have to ask my dad if I can borrow his suitcase. Yeah, maybe I should actually invest in my own suitcase, but anywho's. Right, so there's 2 sides. There's one which is a bigger space, and then on the other side, it's a zipped compartment. My suitcase. So I'm going to show you the outfits that I have and we'll start putting everything into the suitcase. Got these day dresses and play suits. This one I showed you guys in my last video when I did the ASOS haul. It's an off the shoulder flared out dress and it's really lightweight, so it's going to be really good for Dubai because of the heat. This is going to keep me really cool. Definitely bringing this play suit that I bought from Mint Velvet, and it has a elasticated waist there and it's elasticated here at the top as well. And what I really love about this is the cute pockets here at the side. And this is a wraparound play suit that I got from River Island. I bought this recently in their sale. I had my eye on this ages ago when I saw it on the mannequin at the front of their store, but I didn't have enough time that day just to try it on. So when I saw it in the sale for half price, I was like, I am buying that. It's going straight into my basket because it was in my size. This actually looks like a mini dress, but in actual fact it's a play suit, so I can't wait to wear this. And all my swimwear, I'm definitely bringing this leopard print set. Love this. And this one, absolutely loving the colour of this bikini set. Definitely bringing that. And this is a yes for the gems and sparkles. This bikini, I'm not so sure because I've worn it that many times. It used to be a pure white colour, but because I've worn it that many times, it's more like a cream colour now, so I might leave that one. And this is a new swimsuit that I recently bought. It's got tassels at the front. I'll hold it up in a bit so I can show you a bit better. So yeah, let's pack those up. So my bikinis, these two are from my last video, my ASOS haul. So if you haven't checked out my video, then make sure that you do. I'm going to do a link down below. So I'm going to bring this leopard print bikini set with the yellow bikini. Oh, I love these. Look at the sparkles and the gems on that. And this one I bought a few days ago from ASOS. So stunning with the two contrasting shades of purple. And look at the cut on these bottoms. It's so flattering. This one I bought from Miss G Couture. And it's a swimsuit that's a cutout type swimsuit. And this one's a bit more different. There's a halter neck up here with loads of tassels running down the bust area. You can't go wrong with white swimwear, especially when you have a tan. Oh, it's gonna look gorgeous. Yeah, I'm just gonna literally chuck these in. So those are my swimwear. So I've got my t-shirts and some tops. This one I actually bought from my last video when I did the ASOS haul. Bought this khaki t-shirt. I loved it so much. You know what, guys? I bought it in other colours too. So I got it in the white colour, but it doesn't look like white. It looks like a more cream colour. And I bought it in a grey as well. So I'm going to wear these t-shirts with my trusty old denim hot pants. This white off the shoulder Bordeaux top I got from River Island. And when did I wear this? Yeah, I wore this in my shopping in Birmingham video. And I've also got it in the black as well. I'm using the same hanger. So I've got the black Bordeaux top. They're both from River Island. I have overpacked for my day outfits, but I still don't know where I'm going to go or what I'm going to do, so it's better for me to bring more outfits so that I am prepared than actually not having enough outfits and having to go to the mall to buy more outfits. Not that I need any more clothes or outfits or whatever, but any excuse to go shopping, I'm there. And next I'm going to do my evening dresses. I've got my evening outfits. So I'm not going to be bringing 7 evening dresses because I'm not going to be going out every night, like full on glam every night, probably like 2 or 3 nights. So I'm going to bring 3 evening really glam dresses. So this one I bought from Miss G Couture. The next one is from my previous ASOS haul that I did in my last video, and it's a corset ruched zebra print dress. And then I've got a black off the shoulder Bordeaux dress. It's got ruffles all on the hem here. It's absolutely stunning on. I'm just going to bring 3 evening outfits with me. I'm going to bring 2 pairs of sunglasses. Definitely my favourite pair from Gucci. So funny me wearing this because it's quite dark and gloomy outside right now and I've got my shades on. And I'm bringing these ones as well that I got a few days ago from ASOS. It's a white framed cat eye sunglasses. I've never actually worn anything like this style before, but I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it online. I was like, they look gorgeous. And I bought them and they're so lightweight and very comfortable. So they're coming along with me to Dubai. I think that'll be enough. Pop these in. Pop it there. Got my shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to pop in here. My suntan lotion, so I'm going to bring 2 bottles. This one's the suntan lotion and this is the spray version of that, and they're both SPF 50. Got this, which is the After Sun. It's a moisturising lotion that helps to soothe and cool your skin, so I like to use this after having a shower. Got my deodorant, you can't forget that, especially in Dubai. Perfect. And I'll just pop it in there. So I do have a lot more toiletries, like my skincare and all my makeup and all that jazz, but I'm not going to pack that just yet because I still need to use it come tomorrow morning. So I'll do that last thing just before I leave the house. Primark socks, I'm going to pop it in there. And this is the body wash that I like to use. It's from Sanctuary Spa in White Lily and Damask Rose. It smells so nice. It's defo coming with me. Pop it in there. Toothpaste. Actually, I might take it out of the box just to save some space. And I still need to put my toothbrush, mouthwash and all that stuff in here. Cotton wool pads. I got these from Asda, so cheap. These are really cheap as well. I love getting wipes and cotton pads from Asda. Packs of tissues, handy to have when you're travelling. Have these face masks, which my mum gave me. These are all individually wrapped, which are really good, and it's different colours as well, so depending what outfit you're wearing you can match your outfit. We've got the pink, lilacs and blues. I am prepared, thank you mum. And I bought this handheld garment steamer from Amazon a few days ago. I used Amazon Prime, ordered it in the morning and it arrived in the evening. That's what I love about Amazon Prime. And I got it in the colour blue. This is so lightweight. I thought it'd be a lot more heavier, but it's going to be really handy to have. I'm going to pop this in the suitcase. And the lint roller came in a pack of 2, which I don't need 2, I just need the 1. Oof. So I'm just going to bring the 1. Look how prepared I am. The steamer, the lint roller. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot about this play suit. So I got this from Pretty Little Thing. I've kept the tag on here because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. It's a short-sleeved corset style play suit. So this bit nips you in on the waist area, and on the inside of the fabric it's like a fleece material, because it might be quite warm to wear this in Dubai, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this. But anyway, so I'm going to put this to one side and see how much space I've got in my suitcase before deciding whether to bring this with me or not. Right, so these trainers I'm going to wear on the planes. I'll be wearing these tomorrow, so that's a yes. And it's always good to have sliders, but there's 2 here and I don't need to be bringing the 2. So I've got the Pretty Little Thing sliders or the Primark ones. I might go for the PLT ones, and these ones I'll just wear at home, so I won't bring these ones. And it's always good to have flip-flops, so yeah, I'm going to bring these. So those. Heels, I've got the wedges and the sparkly stilettos. I want to bring them both because I absolutely love these. But these ones are really uncomfortable and I don't know how much walking I'm going to be doing in them in Dubai. So I might leave these, so I'm not going to bring those. And these wedges are super comfortable, so I'll definitely bring these with me. And I've got the flat sandals. That is always good to have, and so thin anyway, I'm sure I could just put them in the suitcase. So yeah, I'm going to bring these with me. So yeah, I'm going to bring all of these shoes with me and leave out those. And the handbags, I've got the one from Primark. I've got a clutch bag here. Yeah, this one I'm definitely going to bring with me because I'm going to use this for evening. And then I've got my Balenciaga bag, which is a must. I'll bring that with me everywhere. So I'm going to bring this one. And these 2, I'm not sure which one to bring with me now. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one. Pop it into my suitcase. And this one, I can actually just squash it like that so it flattens. Okay, that's good. And I've just popped all my PJs and underwear in that bag, which I won't bore you with. And I'm going to zip up the suitcase now and then put it on the weighing scales to find out just exactly how heavy it is. Fingers crossed it's not going to be over the weight limit and I could fit everything in. Right, so I'm going to weigh the suitcase. Just turn that on. It's not working. Okay, so it's really set on the kilogram setting. So I've just weighed this suitcase, and what I did was I stood on the weighing scales and then I lifted up the suitcase and then looked at the weight difference, and at the moment it's 15 kilograms, which I don't think is too bad because I still need to put my hairdryer, hair straightener, or my makeup and my skincare products in this suitcase come tomorrow morning after I've used those products. So fingers crossed it's not going to be over. Right, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. My next video is going to be my Dubai vlog, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. And I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video, my Dubai video. Mwah! Bye!